0. Now I'm going to turn on. Yes.
मैम
Yes.
मेरा कंप्लीट हो गया है।
If you have
मैम कंप्लीट हो
completed,
गया है।
please match your answers. Please match your answers. If you have completed, please match your answer. But do not shout like this, okay? Do not shout like this. Very good morning. Yes, who want to say? If you want to say something, first raise your hand. Then say. Yes, homework. Homework was at 4. Some questions were given as homework. So you had to complete that in the book. Now today we will be doing activity 5.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am.
Don't shout like this. Yes. Yes, Prashansha.
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am.
Aditya. Yes, Aditya. Aditya. Okay, Ankit Pandey. Yes, Ankit Pandey. हाँ, Ankit Pandey, tell me.
मैम मेरा करके रख चुके हैं।
First of all, try to speak in English. Okay? And if you have completed, listen. If you have completed, match up the homework, match up the activity, what I am telling you, okay? Match up the answers, what I am telling you, what we will be doing in the class. So please do not shout like that, okay? Aryan, please mute yourself. Aryan, please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start. Activity 5. This is activity 5. As you can see here, this is activity 5. First question. All of you get ready. First of all, put today's date and classwork here. All of you put today's date and classwork. Yes, put today's date and classwork. All of you here. Mute yourself. First of all, put today's date and classwork. This is 29/06/20. So question number 1 is the filling the blanks. Question number 1 is filling the blanks. You have to add. As you can see here, you have to add. 7,284 plus 100. 7,284 plus 100. Can you see that?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Ankit, mental math book we are doing. Mental math we are doing, beta. We are doing mental maths. This is 7,284 plus 100. 7,284 plus 100. Now you can see this is 7,200. When you will add 100, it will become 7,384. So all of you write down the answer here. You will have to write the answer here, 7,000. When you are adding 100 to 7,284, it becomes 7,384. So please write down the answer. This is activity number 5. First of all, put today's date. This is 29/06/20 and start doing today's date and classwork here. All of you have to put today's date and classwork. So I'm explaining question number 1. This is A. 7,284 plus 100. So when you are adding 100 to 200, it becomes 300. So your answer is 7,384. Your answer is 7,384. Write down. Next, I'm explaining question number C. I'm explaining question number C. So B will be your homework. Make a tick mark here. All of you put a tick mark here. This will be your homework. So C. This is 3,420. This is 3,420. When you are adding 1,000, this 3,000 will become 4,000. And the rest number will be as they are, because there is 0, 0, 0. So your answer will be 4,420. Your answer will be 4,420. Now question number D and E will be your homework, as you have to fill in the missing number only. See, 3 numbers are given. Here it is 2,000 plus 1,436 and the missing number is 3,172. Here also 3 numbers are given. You have to write down the missing numbers. So question number D, question number E will be your homework. Put a tick mark, all of you. Means question number B, question number D and question number E will be your homework. You have to solve this in your book. Yes, Parth. Unmute yourself and tell me, बच्चा.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर सी का आंसर क्या होगा?
Try to speak in English, बच्चा. To question number C. Okay, this is the answer. And mute yourself. Mute yourself, Parth. Ankit Pandey and Pandey. Yes. Question number 2. Insert greater than, lower than, less than or equal to sign. Wherever which will be the less than, which will be the greater than or the equal to sign. You have to see. First of all, there is question number A. This is 34 plus 27. Let us check. 34 plus 27. 4 plus 7, 11, carry 1. This will be 4 plus 2, 6. This will be 61. So if here it is 61 and here it is 85, so which one is greater? 85 is greater now. So you have to put a greater than sign here. You have to put a greater than sign here. This is question number A, greater than sign. Question number, similarly, first of all, you have to add. Okay, this is 10 plus 10 equals to 20. 20 plus 6 will be 26. This side you have 26 and this side you have 36. So which one is greater? 36 is greater. So place a greater than sign here. This side. This is question number B. You have to put greater than sign. Next question number C. See here it is 212 plus 40. 212 plus 40. Let us check. If it is 212 plus 40. This is 2 plus 0 equals to 2. 4 plus 1, 5. This is 2. One side you have 252, 252. And the other side you have 225. So you have to put greater than sign towards this side. Question number C will be this sign. Aditi Sharma. Aditi Sharma. Want to say something? Okay. Now question number D. As you can see, children, question number D. Here it is 43 plus 34. Here it is also 34 plus 43. Means both the sides are equal. So you have to put a equal to sign. You have to put an equal to sign in question number D. All of you put equal to sign in question number D. Clear? Done? Okay. Next is question number E. This side we have 346 and 25. Let us check. This is 346 plus 25. 6 plus 5 equals to 11. This here equals to 1. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. This is 3. One side it is 371. And the other side it is 210 plus 85 plus 3. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. 8 plus 1, 9. This is 2. One side we have 371 and the other side we have 298. So you have to put this sign. In question number E, this will be the sign. So if you have completed question number 2, please show me your thumbs up, all of you. Please show me your thumbs up just like this. You have to show me the thumbs up. Okay. Very good, children. But you no need to touch your phone. Okay. And Arav Shah. Arav Shah, can you listen to me? Still you haven't changed your name, beta. Go to Zoom app setting. Please change your name. Still I can see your device name is there, Galaxy J7. Okay. Next, question number 3. Next is question number 3. Question number 2, all of you have completed now. So let's proceed to question number 3. Question number 3 says, add by breaking up the numbers. Question number 3 says, add by breaking up the numbers. See, I am explaining question number A here. You have 41 plus 39. The question is 41 plus 39. So you have to break the numbers. Break the numbers means you have to bifurcate. Here it's 40 plus 1 and here this is 30 plus 9. So you will be writing like this. 40 plus 1. This is 30 plus 9. Now add. You will be writing like this. First of all, look at the screen. First of all, understand. First of all, understand. Wait, stop writing. Stop writing, I said. First of all, look at the screen, how you have to solve this. Okay. So this is 40 plus 1. This is 30 plus 9. Now we will be adding the digits which are at ones place. So 9 plus 1, it will be 10. Okay. 9 plus 1, it will be 10. Okay, na? So we will be not adding the 1 to 0. We will be putting the carry forward to 4. We will be putting the carry forward to 4, not we will be putting it to this one. Because this is the 1st place. This is 10th place. Here it is 0. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So your number is 80. And your answer will be 80. So write down, please, equals to 80. All of you write down. This is the solution. This is how you will bifurcate the numbers. Okay. I'm explaining this again. We had to add 41 plus 39. So we have break the numbers. We have broke the numbers. This is 40 plus 1. This is 30 plus 9. So when we have added, all of you know that addition or subtraction starts from the right hand side. So this is the digit at 1's place. So addition will start from this side. So 1 plus 9 will be 10. 10, 0, and there is a 1 carry. But we will not put the 1 here. This we will be not putting the 1 here. We will be putting the carry 1 to the next number. Okay, we will be not adding it to the 0. So after adding the carry, 4 becomes 5 when 1 is added to 4, and 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So your answer is 80. Below write answer equal to 80 answer. Here is the box given. This will be solved in the box. And below the box, you will write like this, equals to 80 answer. All of you write down. Below the box, you have to write equals to 80 answer. Now question number B. Question number B says 62 plus 75. Again, it will be in the box. See, the question says 62 plus 75. Again, we will be breaking up it into 60 plus 2. This is 70 plus 5. Okay, add all. 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Here is no carry. So we will be not carry forwarding any of the digits. Now 6 plus 7 equals to 13. Here it is 0. Suppose here it is 0, 130 plus 7. So when you will add 130 plus 7 or 130 plus 7, it will become 137. So your answer equals to 137. This will be done in the box. This will be done in the box, and you will be writing the answer below the box. Please write down. Or below the box, you can also write down 130 plus 7 equals to 137. All of you write down. Completed? If you have completed, please show me your thumbs up. Very good. Just show me your thumbs up like this. Very good. Next is question number C. Question number C says, (179 plus 355). Question number C is 179 plus 355, means here it is 100 plus 70 plus 9. 179 plus 355. Now in the box, this is the box. In the box you will write 100 plus 70 plus 9, and below 300 plus 50 plus 5. Now we will be doing addition. 9 plus 5 equals to 14. 4. Carry 1. Remember children, you don't have to put carry on 0. You have to always put the carry on the number. 9 plus 4 equals to 14 and carry 1. This is 1 plus 7 equals to 8. This is 1 plus 7 equals to 8. Now 8 plus 5 equals to 13. So here it will be 130 because 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Now again put a plus sign in between also. 0, 0 is there. So here it will be 13. So we are taking 3 only, not 13. We are taking 3 only. Again, we are putting a carry here. Okay. We are putting a carry to the next number. Number is 1. So we are putting the carry on 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. You will be writing this in the box, and below the box you will write equals to 500 plus 30 plus 4. This will become 534, and this is your answer. Understood? Is it clear? Do you have any doubt? Is it clear to you all? All of you have understood well now? Any doubt? Very good, children. So this is question number 3 completed. This is question number 3 completed. Now question number 4. Find the sum. Find the sum means you have to do addition. Find the sum means you have to do addition. So I hope you can do addition, all of you. All of you can do the addition. The questions will be your homework because these are the additions only and you are doing addition since class 1. So this is your homework. All the questions of question number 4, all of you put a tick mark term. Just put a tick mark. Can you do the addition by your own? Yes, children? Very good. Now come to activity 6. Put today's date and classwork. Activity 6. Put today's date and classwork. All of you here. This is 290620. All of you. 290620. Yes, Shivam. Unmute yourself. Yes, Shivam. Tell me. Shivam. Do you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Then why you have raised your hand, bacha?
मैम वो गलती से चला गया.
Mute yourself and please do not touch the phone unnecessarily, okay? So next, filling the correct numerals and do the sum. Sum means addition. Fill in the correct numerals and do the sum. Means addition. Okay. So here I am explaining question number B. I am explaining question number B. See, here the numbers are written in words. So you have to write the numbers and then you have to do addition. Here the numbers are written in words. You have to write the numbers in numerals and then you have to do addition. Okay. Now question number C. Sorry, B. I'm explaining question number B. This is 8,000. So how do you write 8,000? It will become 8,000. This is 8,000. Okay. 8,000 plus 15 hundreds and 9 tenths. 1500 and 9 tenths. This much. Suppose this is 1500 and 9 tenths means 90. 1500. It is. I am doing this in rough. So I think this question is a bit complicated for you all. So let me explain all. So I am doing this in rough. We have questions. Question 1500 9 tenths. So when you will add 1500 9 tenths, it will become 1590. So 8,000 plus 1590. This is question number B I am doing. 8,000 plus 1590. So when you will add 1,000 to 8,000, it will become 9,000. When you will be adding 1,000 to 8,000, it will become 9,000 and rest the number will be as they are. No, I'm explaining all the questions. I think this is a bit complicated for you. So I'm explaining all the questions. So when you are adding 1,000 to 8,000, it becomes 9,000 and the rest of the numbers will be as they are because it is 0, 0, 0. So answer will be 9,590. This is your answer. Please write down 9,590. Now question number A. I'm explaining question number A. Question number A says 3000. 3000 is written in words. We have to write down in numbers. Means writing 3000 plus 14 tens. 14 tens means 14 into 10 equals to 140. 140 plus 6. You will be writing like this because 6 ones is there. So 3000 plus 140 plus 6. Yes, this is answer number A. 3000 plus 140 plus 6 equals to 3146. Your answer will be 3146 means 3146. Done? Okay. Now question number C. This 7600, 7600, 7600, 7600 plus 4 tens means 40. 4 tens means 40. 7600 plus 4 tens equals to 40. So your answer will be 7640. Completed? If you have completed, please show me your thumbs up. Very good. Yes, this is answer number C. This is C. This one is B. This is A. This is C. This is answer number C. Please show me your thumbs up if you have completed. Very good. Very good. This is answer number B. This one is answer number B. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Are the sums in both the cases same? Means you have to add both the numbers and check the sum is same or not. If it is same, you will tick yes. If it is not same, you will tick no. Okay. You have to add both the numbers. Okay now. So let me solve this one for you. So I'm solving 2a. This is 215 plus 336 and the second number is 437 plus 114. Let me add both of these. 6 plus 5 equals to 11. Carry 1. All of you start adding along with me. Start adding. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. 5. This is so as you can see, the sum in both the cases is same. Here it is also 557, 51. Here it is also 551. So tick yes. Tick. Put a tick mark in yes. So question number B will be your homework. You can do. Question number B, you can do it by your own. So put a tick mark here. All of you put a tick mark here. Now question number 3. Arrange in column and find the sum. Column means you have to write like this. You have to write, suppose it is given 645 plus 365. So arrange in column means you have to write like this: 645 plus 365. And after that, you have to find the sum. Okay, look at the screen first, all of you. So similarly, you have to do all the questions. Means question number 3 will be your homework. Okay. Question number 3, all the questions will be your homework. Question number ABC. Question number ABC of question number 3 will be your homework, not D and E. D and E will be not your homework. Let me solve question number D here. This is 3D. See, the numbers are written in words. First of all, you have to write the numbers in numerals. Okay. Then you will write the sum in words also. So first number is 2654. Means you will be writing 2654. Start doing with plus 1411. 1411. Now start adding. 5 plus 4 plus 1, 5. 6. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. Carry 1. This is 4. After that, you will be writing the words 4065. 4065. So question number E will be your homework. Write down, all of you.